Well, when I was diagnosed, it felt a bit like a death sentence. Prostate cancer runs in my family. My dad died of it. My uncles have had it. My grandfather on my mom's side died of it. It's kind of a friend of the family, not in a good way. And so I was afraid. I was expecting to get it probably when I was 70 or something like that instead of when I was 54. The use of the Calypso GPS for the body system was a huge comfort. In the midst of a treatment, sometimes the machine would turn off. The next thing you would feel is the table moving a little bit, and in very small increments because they had a 2 millimeter tolerance that they were shooting for. So they would move you in a very, very slight amount, and then the machine would resume again. So whenever that happened, I took great comfort in the fact that they were dynamically monitoring what was going on with me and in real time making corrections to make sure that they were still just targeting the area that needed to be targeted. Side effects are the biggest consideration, at least from my point of view. That's one of the reasons that I chose the Calypso system, is because of the low side effects. So some of the activities that I'm doing now since treatment are hiking, biking, kayaking, getting outdoors. I have other indoor hobbies, playing piano and stained glass and that sort of thing. But as far as no lingering side effects or anything that keeps me from getting out and doing what I like to do. What really appealed to me about the accuracy of the Calypso system is that only the areas that were supposed to be treated were getting treatment. Getting radiation in your body can be a scary thing, but knowing that it was focused and that it was only hitting those areas that needed to be hit was a huge comfort to me. Fortunately, I was lucky enough to be part of a study with Dr. Tropper that was specifically using Calypso to target the prostate. As a result of that, I didn't have any side effects as far as urinary effects or bowel effects or sexual effects or anything. So I attribute that lack of side effects to the Calypso system and the fact that it's able to target the areas that need to be targeted without harming surrounding tissue.